Hey guys, this is Schein with Remax of Valencia. I am coming to you straight from the Williams Ranch development here in Castaic of Santa Clarita Valley. Where is this located? This is right between Hasley Hills and Valverde. This is going to be 497 homes built on 432 acres. And this is going to be really unique to Santa Clarita Valley. And here's why. I don't know if you could hear me with all the noise. Most of the new construction out here has been on very small lots. They're actually considered detached condos, which also means you have little to no yard. This is going to be the opposite. Your average lot size is going to be 11,000 square feet, which is about a quarter acre. So they're all going to be pool-size lots. And this is really unique. You're going to have the option of having an attached RV garage or an ADU. That's an accessory dwelling unit. That's going to be built right above the garage with its own separate outside entrance. So that's going to be phenomenal, especially if you're going to be wanting to rent it out or maybe have some family living with you. That's not happening anywhere in Santa Clarita Valley. You're going to have a lot of amenities in the community. You're going to have a rec center with a clubhouse, junior Olympic-sized swimming pool, cabanas. There's even going to be a citrus orchards. There's going to be a working vineyard, wine pavilion. For sure, there's nothing like that going on out here. Some people might want to buy just for that. But most of these homes are going to be gated on a view lot. So you're going to have some really nice views for most of these homes. And you're going to have 15 different models spread throughout 4 different communities. Your HOA is going to be somewhere in the $200 a month range. Mello-Roos, there's going to be a small Mello-Roos where your total tax rate will be about 1.4 to 1.5%. Pricing is not official yet, but they're guessing it's going to be somewhere in the 800,000s, all the way up to $1.5 million for the bigger homes. Sales start in December, and we should have the model homes available as soon as April of 2022, with first move-ins June of 2022. So stick with me, stay tuned, follow me, like, subscribe, whatever you got to do if you want more information, if you want the inside scoop, and especially if you want to be on the interest list. I have the right connections and contacts here to make sure you get that red carpet treatment. I am super excited about this. It's been a long time since we've had new construction out here in Castaic, and I think you're going to be very impressed with what this product is going to end up coming out to be. So anyways, let me go ahead and take you around, give you the lay of the land, and show you what Williams Ranch is all about.